Hello everybody, welcome again in my channel. What if I tell you there's a barcode scanner that can scan in blink, works like a magic and doesn't burn your pockets? So yes, today we are unboxing and testing the Rujtech LS3002 2D wired barcode scanner. And if you're looking for a reliable and budget-friendly scanner for your shop, warehouse or business, so this video is for you. So stay tuned till the end because I will also show you how to install and use it easily. So let's get started. Here comes the box of Rujtech LS3002 in a simple yet sturdy box. As you can see, it is a 1D and 2D scanner. So let's check it out. Firstly, unbox it. Inside the box we get the barcode scanner itself. It looks quite solid and ergonomic. Yeah. Next we get a high quality USB cable attached with it. Yes, it's a wired scanner. And a user manual. It covers the setup steps and some default barcodes for advanced settings. So next, talking about its design and build quality segment. So it has a comfortable grip with a black matte finish that prevents slipping, and the build feels durable and honestly it doesn't look cheap at all. And it's lightweight, so using it for long hours won't tire your hands. It has a logo here and a scanner, and here's the button. Yes, very comfortable to use. Now let's talk what makes this scanner special. It has a 2D scanner technology. It can scan both 1D barcodes and 2D QR codes easily, and it is plug and play, so no softwares, no drivers needed. Just plug into your PC, laptop or POS system, and you're good to go. Very easily you can use this. And it has also a high-speed scanning. It reads damaged, faded or even low quality barcodes smoothly, and it detects these barcodes automatically, so no need to press the button every time. Compatible with multiple systems, works with Windows, Macs, Linux. So let me quickly show you how to install and use it. So firstly, take the scanner and plug this USB cable into your PC or POS system. First, I will insert this. Now plug into your laptop. As you can see, it sounds like this. It is on now. The second step is wait a few seconds. Your system will detect it automatically. And step 3 is open Notepad or any softwares where you need to scan codes. And step 4 is to start scanning barcodes. As simple as that. I will use this provided barcodes here, as you can see, and I will scan multiple barcodes and QR codes in real time. So let's test scanning the barcode also. It is a 1D scanning, this 2D scanning, and here. So see how quick and accurate it is. Now let's test on this damaged barcode. As you can see how quickly and accurate it is. Even the slightly damaged barcode got scanned easily. So perfect for retail shops, supermarkets, inventory or any warehouses. So it is good and nice product, guys. Now here's my honest take on the scanner. It is easy to use, no software required, scans both barcode and QR codes because this scanner is wired, and as well as it is 2D and 1D scanner, and it is fast and accurate scanning. But about it cons, it is wired, so mobility is limited and no wireless option. So that's it for today's. So it is definitely a smart choice under budget. If you like this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech reviews, and also comment below what product should I unbox next.